In this video, I'll show you how to change the format of your time from 12 hours to 24 hours on your G-Shock GBD-200. This can be done two different ways. The first way is directly on the watch, and the second way is using the app, and I'll show you both. Let's start with the watch itself. So to do so, you need to press on the top left corner here button during 2 seconds to get this menu appearing. And then we need to select Time Adjust, which is the second option. You need to press on the left side lower button here once to move the cursor, and then press the Start button to select. Then we need to go down where it says 12/24 hours by pressing the left side lower button twice. Okay, once the cursor is there, press the Start button. And right here, you can change this setting. Again, by pressing the left side buttons here, you can move the cursor on either of these options. Once you have selected the one you want, press the Start button to confirm. Once this screen disappears, press the right side lower button twice, and you're back on the main screen of your G-Shock. You can change the settings using the app. I have made a separate video on how to connect your GBD-200 to the G-Shock Move app on your iPhone or Android. This will permit you to have access to many settings, and you won't have to go through the menus of the watch if you don't like to do it this way. Okay, launch the app, and I will take for granted that both are already connected. Then press the More button on the lower right side, and then over here in these options, you're gonna select Watch. Then go down, and under General Settings, you're gonna have Time Display. Click on this. And finally, we'll have Time Display, the last option here. By tapping on it, we'll be able to choose between 12 or 24 hours, depending how you want this to be displayed. So this is it. This is how you change this time setting on your G-Shock GBD-200. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.